Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to do the exercise of unit number 4 Hazrat Asma. Here is a topic cataphoric and anaphoric. What is cataphoric reference? An expression that refers to a later expression in the discourse is called a cataphoric reference. In another words, you can say you can add the examples of cataphoric. Cataphoric references are when words or phrases are clues to point out information that will appear later in the text. जैसे here is example of cataphoric. The Rasul and his companion Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq migrated from Makkah Mukarramah to Medina Munawwara in the year 6022 AD. Anaphoric references. What is anaphoric reference? An expression that refers to an earlier expression in the discourse is called an anaphoric reference. In another word, you can add the definition of anaphoric. Anaphoric occurs when a word, phrase refers to something mentioned earlier in the discourse. Here is the example of anaphoric. Hazrat Asma was amongst the early few who accepted Islam. She was the daughter of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq. Here she is referring to Hazrat Asma. Hazrat Asma is an anaphoric reference. Now we have part D. Tell whether the references given in these sentences are anaphoric or cataphoric. Number 1. Abu Jahl, the chief of the disbelievers, in a fit of fury, headed towards Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq home. He began to knock at the door violently. ये है आपका anaphoric sentences because he is referring to Abu Jahl. So this is anaphoric example. Her grandfather Hazrat Abu Quhafa was a disbeliever at that time. Here Abu Quhafa is referring to her. This is also anaphoric example. When Aslam was playing cricket, he hurt his hand. Aslam, he is referring to Aslam. So this is also anaphoric example. Before she finished the work, Neelam had checked the mistakes once again. Here Neelam is referring to she. This is also a cataphoric because Neelam is discussed later. Anis threw the stone. He broke the window. He is referring to Anis. So this is anaphoric example. When she entered the room, Zeba was surprised to see so many guests. Zeba is referring to she. Zeba is discussing later. So this is cataphoric example. The city of the garden, Lahore, is also famous for its historical places. Here Lahore is referring to the city. So this is a cataphoric example. Next we have part B. Consult a dictionary to find the meanings of the following words, phrases and use them in sentences. First of all, mad with anger, गुस्से से पागल हो जाना. Fit of fury, गुस्से में. Reveal the secret, राज अफशा करना. Resolute, पुख्ता. Alleviate, कम करना. Migration, हिजरत. कंपेनियन, साथी. रिफ्यूज, पनाह. गिव अवे, दे देना, तकसीम करना या बांट देना. डिटर्मन्ड, ये है पुख्ता इरादा. दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क एंड यू विल राइट ऑन योर notebook. Then we have part A. Underline the abstract nouns in paragraph 4. Dear students, you will find the abstract nouns in paragraph number 4 and write down on your notebook. Here we have part B. Form abstract nouns from the following adjectives and verbs. Use these nouns in sentences of your own. Courteous, empathy, difficult, generous, resolute, suffer. These are the words and you will make sentences of these words. This is your homework and you will do at home. Thanks for watching.